Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine at home. So in today's class we are going to revise what is coming in our UT3. Let us begin with the syllabus. This is your maths book. If you come to the contents page, the chapters which are coming in this UT3 is chapter number 5 division, chapter number 7 measurement, 9 money, 10 data handling, 11 patterns. Let's look one by one to these chapters. This is your chapter number 5 division, where we looking for division facts. Division facts are nothing but when the number is given this way, where we have a dividend, a divisor, and the answer is called question. So this is a division fact. So here we have some facts of division also, that if number is divided by 1, the number is itself, the quotient is itself. If a number is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. For example, 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. If 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. So this exercise is based on those properties. Next, we are asked to write the division facts in words. Next, we have done division on the number line. Equal jumps. 12, we will go to 12 and will take 3 equal jumps and we'll check how many jumps we have done. And also we have shown the repeated subtraction in our notebook. All you can refer from your books and notebook. Here we have learned how to divide the things, divide the numbers, and also how to write the multiplication fact as the division and division fact as the multiplication. For example, when a multiplication fact is given to you, how to write in division fact, we will take the product and will divide it by the multiplier. In the table of 5, 15 comes 3 times, right? Also, the same product will be divided by another number, that is 3. In the table of 3, 15 comes 5 times. This way we will do. And here division fact is given. How will you do? Multiplication fact. You will multiply this number. 8 into 3, 8 3s are is 24. And reverse it. 3 into 8, 3 8s are is 24. This way you do. At the end, we learn how to divide using the long division method. Okay? And I have given you enough practice when we did the chapter. Then we have some word problems which is again asking us to divide. My dear children, every chapter has check your knowledge, revision page and worksheets. So please go through them. In chapter number 7 measurement, we have learned the measuring lengths, non-standard units which are not used. They are handspan, footstep, cubit. We don't use it because they differ from person to person. Rather, we use standard units of length. If someone will ask you what is the standard unit of length, then it is meter, and it is also written as small m. Centimeter is the smaller unit of length. Meter से centimeter छोटा होता है. If we talk about the numbers, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then we have done this type of questions which were easy. We have learned how to convert the given meter into centimeter by multiplying by 100, and how to convert the given centimeter into meter and centimeter by dividing the given centimeter by 100. Centimeter से meter में division होता है, meter से centimeter में multiplication होता है. Then simple addition subtraction we did along with the word problems. Then we move to weight. The standard unit of weight is gram. We had interesting questions. Again, we have addition subtraction. आप check करेंगे यहाँ पे exercises में. We have addition subtraction. Then we move to the capacity. Capacity is related to when we are talking about liquid, petrol, juice, water, oil, all these things. Addition and subtraction also done. Right? This was our. So I have told you earlier also. Please go through the revision and worksheet. This is your worksheet. This is your revision page. In chapter number 9, money, we have learned the units of money, that is rupees and paise. Okay, and when both rupees and paise have to be mentioned, a dot divides them. Okay, we use a dot to divide rupees and paise, and we have learned how to write the money which is given in words into figures. Okay, and then we have learned how to write the amount in words. Then addition subtraction of rupees we have done, that means money we have done, which was similar to what we have already done. दैट इज नॉर्मल टू एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. उसमें कुछ अलग चीज नहीं है. सेम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप जैसे करते हैं वैसे ही आपको करना है. सेम एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. So same multiplication process is there. And then we did division. Division will also follow the same rule which we have done in chapter of division. Then we have some word problems. Making bills topic is exempted. This will not come in the exam. Second last chapter is your chapter number 10, data handling. You can practice these questions as well, as it is very interactive, right? We have discussed here the pictograph, the telemarks, and I have told you in the previous video how to find the telemarks, how to draw the pictograph. Okay, so all these questions may come in the exam. You have to go through the revision questions, worksheet questions. At last we come to the last chapter, that is chapter number 11, patterns, where we find patterns in the numbers, shapes, alphabets, right? So we have learned sometimes the shapes increases, decreases, exchange their positions, right? For example, it moves. Look at the blue color only. It is moving in this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. See? Okay, so accordingly we have to continue this. We have some alphabet based patterns which we have to observe. हमें ये 3 given alphabets pattern को observe करना है, and we have to continue the next 2. Then we have tiling. Tiling में मैंने 2 चीज main बताई थी. Number 1 is there should not be any gap in tiling and no overlapping. No tile should come above the other. Okay. Then revision and worksheet questions which will be done by you only. Dear children, for your practice we have sample test paper 2 where you can do some questions. Question number 1, 2, question number 4, B part. These are related to your syllabus, unit 3 syllabus. Question number 6, question number 8. These questions you can also practice. So all the best for your practice. Do written practice and achieve good marks. Have a nice day. God bless you.